video because this came in today and we finished the Toyota and it's outside and I have the room to move these around. So let's open up the first crate because, well, this is exciting. Thingamajigger. What do you guys think it is? What's your guesses? I know some of you already know because I couldn't even hold my secret with some of my close friends. I was just too excited. Oh, cool little packing thing they use. Sure, I'll be able to use this plywood for something else.
Oh, I already hit record.
Well, shucks, the camera died. I only got one battery. I really should buy some more. Probably a microphone and a few other things instead of just using the GoPro by itself. You could help with that. But anyway, besides all that, it's day 3. Because yesterday I didn't get a chance to play with these other than move them over to this spot. I don't think this might be where they're staying. It might not be where they're staying. We'll see how they fit here. But I did get my person door installed into my garage and I got my wall finished. So we're all buttoned up here. Got the spray foam guy coming in to give me a quote and we're gonna steel stud the walls. Don't know if you guys are interested in seeing any of that. I might record some, I might not. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see it. Without further ado, let's finish the box that we were getting into and see what you guys think of my new toys. Alright, here's the first one. It's still needs to be put together. Well, let's grab a knife quickly here. Knife. Right behind me. So this is a major tire balancer. I believe the company sells it of Ontario, and I don't know where the products are made. Taiwan or something. Don't care. We'll keep this bag, put it back over. So there we have it. Balancer. Looks nice. Everything's good and greasy. We'll take some time. We'll go through the setup instructions and whatnot. I don't know if I will take you along for the setup. Maybe, maybe not. And then over here, we've got our tire changer. It's also a major, obviously, because I bought them both at the same time. Let's pop the plastic off and have a look, see what it looks like. I do like shiny new toys. Bam, there we are. Looks good. We got some pedals to play some music with. And there's one other piece that you'll have to wait until we get more setup of this stuff. So let's get into it. There we have it, box 3 of 3. So now we've got the tire balancer kind of set up, the tire changer kind of set up. Now we're gonna set this last piece up. So we'll jump into a time lapse, come back, and we'll talk about all this stuff. We've got it all set up. So we got our tire balancer and our tire machine with octopus arms. This is probably not where the equipment's staying, so that's why it's still on pallets. I gotta move it around. Still gotta do spray foam, put walls in. But like a kid, new toys, I had to play with it and put it together. So we might as well test it out on this crappy steel Pontiac rim here with a large tire. What do we got? We got a 225 60/17 on a steel rim we'll take off. Won't really need any of this stuff. Pretty neat though. We'll just swing it out of the way for now. So let's break the bead down. Edit that out. Yeah, so we'll test it out and whatnot, and let's break this tire down and see what happens. Alright, there we go, beads are broken. Let's use our new Gorid weight remover hammer. Just one on that side, just one on this side. Adjust our arm. She's a little tipsy, I gotta be careful, it's on this pallet. And it's not much of a pallet. Pull these arms all back over. yeah, so works great. And the last mechanism that we have is when you're installing the tire and you want to fill it up with air, gives it a big shot of air. And you can clamp the rims inside like I did that one, or you can do outside as well. And I've got protectors and a different plastic head for this for doing fancy wheels. And once we get it actually mounted to the floor after everything else is built, we'll go through and do a couple videos of mounting and dismounting tires. Not going to show you the balancer today, other than that's the balancer. I'm not going to play with it a whole lot. No point. It's not even bolted to the ground. It wouldn't do anything other than turn it on. I hope you enjoyed the new equipment video. I'm going to be happy playing with this and obviously doing a little bit of work, doing a little extracurricular work for friends and stuff, and making maybe a little bit of money to pay it back. Who knows? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please like and comment, and if you haven't already and you're interested in seeing more, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you again later on. Peace.